Hey guys, welcome to the How To channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to download Fortnite on Android. As Fortnite is not available on Play Store, so here is how you can download it. So open up your settings. In the search bar, search for Chrome. Now click on Chrome, and once you are here, scroll down. You can see this option of Install Unknown Apps. Click on it. Here you can see this option of Allow from this source. Make sure to toggle this on. Now the second step is to open your Chrome app and search for Epic Game. Epic Game is the one you can download Fortnite from. After searching, click on this very first website. Now click on top left icon of Epic Game, and under play section, you can see this option of Fortnite. Click on it. And what you're gonna do is click on play now like this. You will land on screen like this. So click on download on Android and you will get this pop-up. Click on download anyway. Once the download is complete, click on open. You will get pop-up like this. Click on install, and once it's installed, click on open. Now what you have to do is to find Fortnite. It's right at the top. Click on it and then click on install. After the download is finished, click on launch. And that's how you can download Fortnite on Android. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe the How To channel.